Hello, welcome to APG.STUDIO and time for our session stretching for a lunch break yoga right now. Even 15 minutes every day makes all the difference for your body, for your muscles, for your joints and your mind as well. Maybe you're not sure about that, but as much as you focus on your body and your breathing, link the movement with your breaths, you actually going to calm your mind as well. And before we start, please click subscribe, click notification bell, never miss any content from my channel. And now we're ready to start our 15 minutes lunch break yoga for everyone right now. On your floor, hands with your shoulders width apart, knees with your hips. And first, let's move your hips to warm your muscles in your lower back. Inhale, try to arch your lower back, push your belly down, and exhale, opposite movement. Inhale, and slowly exhale. Really make sure you're making movement from your hips, okay? It's not pushing your spine up, upper back, bringing your head, chin close to your chest. It's just your hips tuck under to feel more stretching in your lower back than the upper part. It's easier to do it from your upper back, but we need to work with the lower area. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now let's rock your hips side to side. Good stretch for your lower back, hips. Inhale and exhale. And now inhale, forward and exhale, moving back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now to child pose, as you remember, for hips higher or lower. And now stretch your left arm front of you. Control your breaths, keep your head really high, so you're not pushing, you're not pulling down to the floor, just head, neck in spine line. good. Breaths in and slowly out. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And now right arm straight. Okay, now on your form to change position on your back. Remember how to do it safely. Feet on the floor. Now form arms. Bring your knees close to you and slowly roll your spine down the floor. Relax your shoulders, relax your head. Hands or arms, depends how close you can bring your knees. And again, you can hold it or rock side to side. Great massage for your lower back. Also, nice way to stretch your hips and your glutes. Deep breath in and slowly out. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Back to center. Now place your feet flat with your hips width apart. Arms by your side. And now as you're lifting your hips, not too high, just off the floor, really focus to squeeze your glutes, clench your buttocks muscles. And slowly just relax. Inhale and exhale. So as you're lifting your hips, still keeping the upper part of your spine, lower back down the floor. That's important to work correctly with your lower back, building strength in your glutes, lower back, but also we stretching this area, your lumbar. Inhale and exhale. Watch if you've got tendency to move your legs out or they are the same position, which is better. Okay, so you've got good stability in your hips and your legs. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And now hips on the floor. Inhale, feet down. As you exhale, try to bring your right knee to your chest to stretch your glutes, hips and your lower back. Inhale and exhale the same leg. As you're placing your right foot on the floor, make sure you're not making any movement in your hips area. You've got your lower back the same position. So if you notice, you can place your foot without changing alignment in your spine. Keep your foot off the floor. Inhale and exhale. So as long as you've got stability in here, you can bring your foot lower. Otherwise, keep it higher off the floor. You need to focus more to pull your knee closer to you. Super effective exercise to strengthen your abdominal muscles and at the same time to stretch your lower back. But point is, muscles needs to be active, which means you need to hold your hips, lower back, the same position. Doesn't matter where is your leg. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more with your right leg. And now your left. Inhale and exhale. So you're pressing lower back to the floor. Inhale and exhale as the way to activate the front. It's only one way to work for stronger core. Muscles needs to be active during this exercise. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Now bring your right knee, grab and pull. Lift your left and try to stretch. Inhale, bend knee. Exhale, try to lift your foot to stretch calf and your hamstring. And remember, your leg doesn't have to be straight. As long as the stretch is there, in the right place, that's it. Even if your knee is bent, you're still stretching right muscles. Head, shoulders relaxed. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Okay, now grab your left and stretch your right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And now right leg down the floor and you're putting your left to your right side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now left leg down and you put your right. Inhale and exhale. Keep an eye on your opposite shoulder. It's on the floor. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Inhale and slowly exhale. And very slowly roll on one side. Remember, this is the safe way to change position from laying down flat on your back to sit down. So try to remember this small movement every day in the morning. And now on your 4. And again, work with your spine, with your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now, safe way from position on your floor to stand up one leg, whichever first is on your mind, doesn't matter, and it's on your leg, and you slowly stand up. So this is the way to keep the safe position for your lower back. Okay, now legs wider than your shoulders width apart. Both arms inhale and slowly exhale. And now right arm inhale and slowly exhale. One more. And now your left reaching high. Inhale and exhale. And one more time. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, so thank you. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please give me thumbs up, show other people it's worth it to try my videos and exercise with me for all the amazing benefits for your body and your mind. And another session the same time tomorrow. So enjoy the rest of your day and I see you tomorrow again. Bye guys.